In this video, you will learn how to set up your WordPress site on Siteground for beginners. Go to Siteground website and click on Get Started. There, you'll be asked to choose a hosting plan. Once you've picked a hosting plan, next, choose a data center location closest to your target audience. Either register a new domain or use an existing domain if you already have one. Then, fill out your information, enter your name, email, and payment details such as PayPal or credit card or debit card. Once your purchase is complete, Siteground will send you an email with your account and credentials. Log in to Siteground login page and enter your details. From there, you can install WordPress. Once logged in, you'll be directed to Site Tools for your website management. Find WordPress under Website in the left menu. Click Install and Manage, then WordPress will install. Install WordPress and click Install New WordPress. Choose the domain you want. Then, enter the WordPress admin username and password. Make sure this is something you can remember. After filling out the form, click Install. Siteground will automatically install WordPress for you. Access the WordPress admin panel. After installation, you can log into the WordPress dashboard by visiting WordPress website. Enter your username and password that you've just done, and you can log into your account. Here, you can change your appearance of your website. You can also add new themes, browse themes, and upload themes. Activate your theme. Once you have already selected the theme you want, click Activate and make it live on your site. Install plugins through WordPress. Plugins add extra functionality to your WordPress site. Here is the way how to get started. Go to Plugins in your WordPress dashboard by clicking Plugins and then click Add New. Install plugins. Use the search bar to find the following plugin and click Install Now to activate. You can also customize your site. Customize your website by adding content, setting up navigation menus, and configuring your settings. Add pages. Go to Pages, Add New, and create pages about contact information, home page, and About section. You can also back up your website. Siteground provides an easy backup option essential for safeguarding your content. Go to Site Tools. In Site Tools, go to Security, then click Backup. Create a backup manually or set up automatic backups. After all that is done, and you've customized your website, you are ready to publish. Preview your website by visiting your domain. Ensure that everything works correctly. If it works, click Publish. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.